Do you often receive large or complex orders that are difficult to manage in a single invoice? Processing bulk or mixed product orders in one go can create challenges for inventory, fulfillment, and shipping. Introducing the Split Order App by Addify. This app helps you break down complex orders into multiple smaller orders based on products, product quantities, or even product weights. You can simplify order processing and make fulfillment more manageable. Let's see how the app works step by step. Open the app and go to the General Settings tab. Enable the app from here to activate the split order functionality. Next, go to the Rules tab and click on the New Rule button to create a split order rule. Enter a rule title, set a rule priority, and change the rule status to active. Now, choose how you want to split the order. Single option will split all selected products into a single order. Multiple option will split each product into a separate order. You can either split by product quantity, in which each unit of a product is placed into its separate order, or you can split by product, in which each order will contain only one type of product, regardless of the quantity purchased. Next, define the customers this rule applies to. Choose all customers, or target only specific customers or customer tags. After that, select the products for split orders. You can choose all products or limit the rule to specific products, collections, or product tags. Additionally, you can split orders by product weight. Simply enter the minimum and maximum weight range, and products that fall within this range will be split according to the rules you've set above. Once everything is configured, click the Save button to activate the rule. In addition to automated rules, the app also allows you to manually split orders. To do this, open the Manual Split Order tab. Here, you'll see a list of all received orders along with complete details such as order date, order quantity, subtotal, and more. To split an order, simply click the Split button in front of any order. A pop-up screen will appear. From here, select a condition from the drop-down and enter the product quantity to split the order. You can split orders in multiple ways. If you want to split by product quantity, you have to enter the quantity to divide items into multiple smaller orders. You can also split all products into a single order. Simply enter the quantity of each product, and that quantity of all products will be grouped together and split into one order. If you choose to split by products, enter the quantity of each product, and that quantity of each product will be split into separate individual orders. Once you've finalized your selection, click the Split Order button. Now, open the Order section in your Shopify admin panel. Here, you'll see that the original order has been split into separate orders based on the conditions you defined. That's it. You've successfully created a split order rule in your Shopify store. Thank you for watching.